Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. In general, iPhone speakers can produce sounds loud enough for notification alerts, listening to music, or playing video. However, sometimes external factors such as crowded or noisy environments can affect the sound quality of your device, and you may want to set it to the maximum volume if possible. In this video, I will show you how to make your iPhone louder than its maximum volume so that you can enjoy more amplified audio. Let's go. When you want to increase the volume on your iPhone while playing media files, be sure to press the volume up button to maximize the level allowed. You can also access the control center and adjust the volume here. If you want to turn up the ringer volume on your iPhone, go to Settings and proceed to Sounds and Haptics. Then adjust the volume slider to its maximum level. Note that by default, the ringtone volume is independent of the general volume controls on your iPhone. To make the ringtone volume change when you press the volume keys, you can activate Change with Buttons. However, I personally would not recommend enabling this feature. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't have a dedicated equalizer application that can effectively control the entire system's audio quality. Instead, streaming platforms like Apple Music, Spotify, and others typically offer an in-app audio setting that you can use to turn up the volume. To adjust the equalizer configurations for Apple Music, open Settings and browse to the Music menu. Navigate to EQ and set it to Loudness. For Spotify, tap on your profile icon, open Settings and Privacy, and go to Playback. Proceed to the Equalizer menu. Choose Loudness, and drag each audio point to the maximum level to achieve the amplified sound you like. After that, you should notice some difference in the volume while playing music. Since this is a matter of preference for how loud you want your music to be, you can choose more equalizer settings and adjust the values to your liking. You can also amplify music stored locally on your device by using a third-party equalizer application. Open the App Store. Search for Equalizer, and choose from the many applications available. They offer basically the same features, but most of them only have a trial version and require a subscription. Personally, I like to use the Bass Booster Volume Boost EQ instead because you can use its equalizer settings for free. After installation, go to the Settings tab and modify the three configurations under the Player section. First, open Bass Booster, turn it on, and adjust it to a level you're comfortable with. Then go to Equalizer. Activate the Loudness preset and adjust each slider to maximize the sound. Finally, set the volume booster to the maximum level to make your device's speakers sound louder than its normal volume. When everything is set up, proceed to the Downloads tab. Click Import, and choose the music file from your local directory. Once added, play the music and you should hear a noticeable difference in sound quality. If you don't think your device's speakers are loud enough, you can connect it to an external Bluetooth audio source instead. To connect, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Make sure it's activated and wait while it scans for compatible audio devices. Tap your Bluetooth speaker in the device list and follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Once paired, your audio should automatically switch to the external device. In case it doesn't switch to the audio source, open the Control Center and tap on the AirPlay icon. Then select the device from the available options. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.